Hi everyone, welcome back to SKSecOps channel. So today we are diving into one of the most reliable ways to deploy application updates without downtime, which is the rolling update strategy. So what is rolling update strategy? It's a way to update your application without taking down the whole system. It works by updating one or a few servers at a time with the new version while the rest keep running the old version. Let us understand it visually. So we begin at state 0. Consider there are three servers with JS application where all servers are running with version 1.0. As of now, everything is stable and serving the traffic. Now let us move to the next state, which is the state 1. We update the first instance to version 2.0, just one server. The rest keeps running version 1.0. So your users won't even notice any change, and also ensuring the system stays live and users aren't affected. Next, in state 2, we update a second instance. Now two servers are on version 2.0 and one is still on version 1.0. It's likely a relay race. Slowly but surely, version 2.0 takes over. And finally, we reach to state 3. All servers are running with new version 2.0 and the updation is complete with zero downtime and minimal risk. If anything goes wrong during the rollout, you can immediately roll back to previous version without affecting all your users. In the next slide, we will be discussing about what are the advantages or when to use or and when not to use the rolling update strategy. So we can use rolling update when you are pushing any minor changes and when zero downtime is must. When you are applying something like license updates that doesn't affect any core functionality, in these scenarios, you can use rolling update. But when we should not use rolling update means for any major changes or any breaking updates. So we should not use it. And also when if you need to roll back quickly, rolling updates may not be ideal as rollback in this case can take just as long as the rollout. That's all for this video. Thank you for your attention and for watching this video. And if you really like this video, please click on the subscribe button for further notification. Thank you so much.